A massive fire broke out at the new plant of Serum Institute in Pune. 8 fire tenders have been pressed into action. They are currently at the spot. All efforts underway to douse the flames. Smoke was seen billowing out of the under construction site. The Serum Institute plant there in question. Municipal authorities are present. Fire tenders are in action trying to douse that fire. But thankfully it's not that building where the Serum Institute's Covishield vaccines are being manufactured. This is another under construction building but in the same campus. Serum Institute is the manufacturer of Covishield. Millions of doses that's currently being facilitated to drive this massive inoculation drive in India. In fact, the production of Covishield unit thankfully is unaffected. Here we're getting visuals, live visuals of the Serum Institute building catching fire in Pune. 8 fire tenders have been pressed into action. They're at the spot. Thankfully, none of them were trapped. There were some people who were the building was quickly evacuated. Some people were rushed out, and right after the fire tenders were pressed into action, it's been about an hour now. They've been trying to douse that fire, but yet the reason for the fire breakout is still unknown. We have Mr. Prashant joining us, the fire officer, to give us a perspective. Mr. Prashant, what really has happened? Do we know the reason for the fire outbreak, and is the fire under control? Anyone trapped?
अभी तो 4 लोग फंसे हुए थे, उन लोगों को हमने सही सलामत निकाला हुआ है और फायर फाइटिंग का काम शुरू है। धुआं खूब ज्यादा होने की वजह से फायर फाइटिंग में काफी मुश्किलें आ रही है, लेकिन ये कंट्रोल में आ सकती है।
जी प्रशांत जी, यहाँ पर रीजन फायर आउटब्रेक का क्या कॉज है वो पता चला?
मैं उसके बारे में जानकारी नहीं मिल पाई।
जी, आप बोल रहे थे कि 4 लोग अंदर फंसे हुए थे, उनको कैसे निकाला गया और क्या दिक्कत क्या पड़ रही है आपको अभी?
अभी धुएं की वजह से हम लोग सर्चिंग में थोड़ा सा दिक्कतें आ रही है। धुआं काफी ज्यादा मात्रा में है और साथ में आग भी है, तो आग बुझाने के साथ साथ हम लोग सर्चिंग भी कर रहे हैं।
जी, क्या अभी लोग फंसे हुए हैं अंदर?
काफी कम उसकी शंका है, लेकिन एक कोई हो सकता है, इसलिए हम लोग चाहते हैं कि उसको ढूंढे।
अच्छा, उसकी कोई कंफर्मेशन नहीं है? 1-2 लोग फंसे हो सकते हैं?
मे भी हो सकते हैं, लेकिन हमको जितना संख्या बताई गई थी उन लोगों को हमने निकाल दिया है बाहर।
जी, अब क्या सिचुएशन क्या है वहां पर? अभी धुआं निकल रहा है या आग भी है अंदर?
धुआं भी है, आग भी है, तो दोनों पर काबू लाने की कोशिश की जा रही है।
जी, वहां पर जो कोविड-19 वैक्सीन का मैन्युफैक्चरिंग प्लांट है वो भी आसपास में है, क्या ये आग फैल सकता है?
नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं।
जी, आप कुछ बोल सकते हैं कि ये आग कितनी बजे रिपोर्ट हुई?
ये करीबन 2:45 को हमको कॉल मिला है फायर डिपार्टमेंट को।
जी, अभी 1 घंटे से ज्यादा हो गया, अभी तक वो आग बुझी नहीं?
काम चल रहा है।
जी, आपको और फायर टेंडर्स को बुलाना चाहिए या ये 8 फायर टेंडर्स जो है वो काम कर सकते हैं?
8 नहीं, 15 फायर टेंडर है।
जी,
15 फायर टेंडर है। 15।
अच्छा, 15, you have 15 fire tenders and are they enough? आपको और ज्यादा चाहिए या आप मैनेज कर सकते हो?
नहीं, इससे काम हो जाएगा।
जी, आप बोल रहे थे कुछ दिक्कत आ रहा है ये फायर को बुझाने के लिए, वो क्या दिक्कत है?
धुएं की वजह से दिक्कत आ रही है।
धुएं की वजह से?
जी जी।
अच्छा, तो ये कितना फ्लोर का बिल्डिंग है, आप बता सकते हो?
6 फ्लोर।
6 फ्लोर्स और आग पूरे 6 फ्लोर्स में फैल चुका है?
नहीं, 6, 5, 4।
अच्छा, 6, 5 और 4, 3 फ्लोर, ऊपर के 3 फ्लोर को आग लगी है?
बिल्कुल।
जी, आपके फायर टेंडर्स बिल्डिंग के अंदर घुसे हैं या बाहर से ही काम कर रहे हैं?
मैम, फायर टेंडर कभी भी बिल्डिंग के अंदर नहीं जाते हैं।
जी, आपको जो अथॉरिटीज वहां पर है उनको कुछ मैसेज देना चाहते हो, अगर कुछ हेल्प या कुछ?
कुछ नहीं, यहाँ पर क्राउड ना करे, बस इतना ही है।
क्राउड ना करे, वो एक कंफर्मेशन दे दीजिए कि कोई अंदर फंसा है या नहीं, आपको कुछ जानकारी होगी?
जानकारी अभी नहीं, अभी ढूंढ रहे हैं हम लोग।
अच्छा, हो सकते हैं आप बोल रहे हो, आप बोल रहे हो कि हो सकते हैं?
बिल्कुल।
जी प्रशांत जी, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। Well, we have the chief fire officer there who answered whatever he could. Here is the fire that's broken out at the Serum Institute building in Pune. Thankfully, it's not the same building where the coronavirus vaccines are being manufactured. This is an under construction site. As per our reporters on ground, they say that quite amount of combustible material was present at the spot, and the reason for the fire outbreak is still unknown. It's yet to be discovered. But the fire tenders there are pressed into action. We heard the chief fire officer who says 15 fire tenders, not 8, but 15 fire tenders on the spot. The fire is broken out in 3 floors, including 4th, 5th and 6th floor. It's a 6-floor building, and 4th, 5th and 6th floors, the fire is broken out, and they're trying their best to douse it. Unfortunately, it's a bit of a task considering the smoke is that much. There could be someone trapped inside also, is what the officer says. Pankaj joining us on the phone line for more details. Pankaj, give us some clarity on whether there are people trapped inside the building or not. We heard the chief fire officer say that there could be someone inside. They still have no clarity. There's that much smoke emanating out of that building, and they're not able to clearly understand if there are people inside or not. But they have rescued quite a few already.
The firefighting officer, the chief firefighting officer, Mr. Prashant Ranchise, he has made it clear that they are finding it difficult to locate if anybody is trapped inside. 4 of the people who were working there have been rescued. The smoke, or we can also say that the smoke coming out due to the burning of chemicals. It must be hazardous, and that's why they are finding it difficult to go inside. Whatever is possible, the huge firefighting tenders that they have, the Pronto, one of the biggest machines that can go up to 26 floors, that is also put into action. So they will first try to dose the fire, what Mr. Ranchise said, and he has also confirmed that Covishield vaccine production is not done over there. What the information that we have from the sources inside Serum Institute, the BCG production is carried out 6, 5 and 4 floors. That the building is new and the structure is almost 100 meters long. So it must be a massive thing, massive fire inside, and it must be difficult to go inside. That is the reason Mr. Ranchise has specifically said that they will first try to dose out the fire using all possible, may it be water or may it be chemical fog that is most regularly used to dose out chemical fire.
Right. So what we understand here is that the reason for the fire outbreak is still unknown. We now have information that Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray is now in touch with the Pune Municipal Commissioner and is taking complete on-ground update, cognizance of the situation. He has also directed the state machinery to coordinate and ensure that the situation is under control. Uddhav Thackeray, Maharashtra Chief Minister, now in action. He is trying to take cognizance of the situation and ensuring that situation is under control. Pankaj there to give us some more information. Pankaj, would you still be able to establish what is the distance between this particular building that has caught fire to the building where the COVID-19 vaccines are being manufactured? How far in distance are they from each other?
Navira, the distance is about 2 kilometers. There is an open patch in between the 2 premises. These 2 premises are connected with a bridge that has been privately constructed by Serum Institute that is used for internal transportation or movement. So the COVID vaccine storage as well as production is far off. So we can definitely say that the Covishield vaccines are safe. But yes, over here, this is the new plant. Poonawallas had the planning, had the site that here they will be producing, bringing in state-of-the-art machinery to produce vaccines in large quantity. And so this machine was, this building was recently established, constructed few years ago. So this is a new building, and this some kind of mishap or some short circuit might have caused this fire, but this is only a guess. The official reason will be told only if the firefighting officer comes to the conclusion what was the reason. As of now, they are trying their best to douse off the fire.
Pankaj, thank you very much for joining us with those details. We heard the Chief Fire Officer and our reporter on ground. This is a building at least 2 kilometers away from the actual unit where COVID-19 vaccines, Covishield, is being manufactured. But nonetheless, it's on the same campus. This building 4th, 5th and 6th floor has now caught fire. There was a lot of combustible material that was placed there. The reason for the fire outbreak is yet to be established, but firefighters, 15 fire tenders who are on the spot trying to douse the fire. They say that they are finding it a tad tough to actually maneuver through the thick smoke that's billowing out of that building, but they're still managing well. So far, the fire is yet to be doused. Fire is still emanating. There's a lot of smoke that's emanating from that building as well, but fire tenders are pressed into action. Here, few people were trapped inside. They've been rescued. The firefighters there don't rule out that there could be 1 or 2 people still trapped.